Angel, welcome back to a new video. If you're new, my name is Aisha Marie, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for clicking on today's video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you all my high maintenance skincare routine. I'm so excited to show you all the goodies that I'm going to be partaking, and today it's going to be like an unwind with me as well. Let's just hop right into the video. I have on some makeup. I'm going to be taking this off and just showing my skin some love. So everything will be linked down below. I am loving like this plush soft blush robe. I'm so obsessed with it. It's so comfortable. It also has like this plush hoodie. Right now I'm gonna put on my spa headband, and y'all know I love these little cotton wristlets. They come really in handy, especially since my setup is a little crazy, a little bit janky. Now these wristlets are really good for catching any product or water from dripping and getting on your clothes. I have on some individual lashes from the company Beyelian, and I'm really obsessed with them. I love them. They just make me look so pretty, and these are in the lash Timeless. So effortless, so subtle. So Beyelian actually has this lash remover that I'm going to be using. Now this consistency is like an oil consistency, so it's going to help break down the adhesive. So I'm just applying it how I would with mascara. Probably just let it sit for like a couple minutes. Oh wow, coming off smooth. Took less than probably 45 seconds. Boom. If you want like a more in-depth tutorial on how to apply the lashes, be sure to check out my pamper routine birthday edition. I went into full detail on how to achieve that timeless, effortless look for the fraction of the price of getting your lashes done. Y'all know I like to be high maintenance, but honey, on a budget, okay? All right, so now that we're in the makeup removal process, I'm gonna be using this Rovectin Skin Essentials Conditioning Cleanser Advanced Formula, and this is hyperallergenic. This cleanser right here is really good if you have dry skin. I myself really do have dry skin, especially in these seasons, fall and winter. My skin gets really dry. So I've been loving looking into hydrating skincare and overall Korean and Japanese skincare. Majority of all of these products are either Korean, Japanese, or I think that's it. Oh, and I think like I got one American product. But I'm just gonna use this cleanser. I should be double cleansing for removing makeup, but I don't have like an oil milky cleanser, so I'm just gonna be using this. It removes tough makeup really well while still hydrating my skin. This is why I really love this product. All right, so I have cleansed my face about like a good 2 times. With my lashes, I like to take some coconut oil just to make sure that I got everything off of my lash. I'm gonna take one of the spoolies and just work that coconut oil into my lash. Of course, our Snail Mucin Serum. Now this acts as if it is a toner. This is gonna basically help with lightening my skin while also smoothing out any bumps on my face. This also helps with hyperpigmentation because it acts as a toner as well. I've been using this for a good, how long have I been using it? I want to say I've been using this for like a good 6, 7, maybe 8 months now, and I have seen a dramatic difference in my skin. Like, I love that. The next thing I'm gonna do is now mask. So I'm gonna put on my eye patches first and then a real mask. I like to go on using these black tea patches. I cannot pronounce the name of this. I really have seen a huge improvement with my dark circles under my eye. If you can't tell, go back to previous videos and you'll see a dramatic difference. Yes. Some form of hydrating patches definitely need to be in your skin routine. Now I'm gonna put on a full face mask, and this is the Cocoa Brownie Double Algae Moisturizing Mask. Y'all know I like to be hydrated. Hydration is just like my forte. Like, I just live how hydrating mask. Now what I love about the Cocoa Brownie mask, especially algae, is like a transparent mask. So it doesn't make you look as funny And then it's like jelly. I love it so much. Like, algae masks are my favorite types of mask. All right, so as this is sitting on my face, I'm then gonna go in using my jade roller. So I'm just gonna roll my face with this mask on. And I love the stone jade rollers because of how cool they are. So now I'm just gonna take this off. Ooh, that feels so good. And then this access, I'm gonna put on my neck. Okay, so now I'm gonna be a little bit extra and do some LED light therapy. I know this may look a little intimidating, but trust and believe me, this thing is safe to use on your face. As long as you are not like looking directly into the light, you should be fine. It's not gonna do any harm. If anything, you're gonna get more results and good out of this LED light. The light therapy, I just like to take a little bit of alcohol and just like wipe the mask down just to cleanse it, because a lot of bacteria is being held up on this. When I did my research, I saw that the green light really helps for the dark circles up under your eyes and acts as a hyperpigmentation, kind of like tone in a sense. It has been scientifically proven also that the green light helps with PTSD, depression, anxiety, chronic pain, and many more things. So I mean, it is the fall and winter seasons. You know, during this season, a lot of people tend to have like the seasonal depression. I didn't know that when looking this up. I was just doing it for my skin. But honey, hey, it can be a 2-in-1, and it really do make me feel good, because when I put this on, honey, I feel like I am a millionaire, because I am a millionaire, you know what I'm saying? And it goes through all of the different light therapies. Since it is wireless and it has like this little controller right here, when you wear your robes, you can just slip this little part into your pocket, or if you don't have pockets, you can just attach it to whatever shirt that you're wearing while you are wearing your mask. I really recommend that you invest in something like this. It is so convenient. You don't have to go to the spa. You spend your money on it one time and you can get endless amount of sessions for the fraction of going to an actual salon to get a facial. Done talking about this. I wanted to talk about it because I know it looks a little intimidating. So it has like this flap right here that you just bring to the back, and then I'm gonna turn mine onto the skin balancer. That is the green one. This is automatically timed for 20 minutes. I'm just gonna put the remote in my pocket. I know this may look a little intimidating, but I have seen a lot of people's results and they look amazing. This helps with wrinkles. They have a setting that helps with not necessarily the tightness of your skin, but it smooths your skin out. If you are older, it smooths your skin out to the point where it looks like you had like a little facelift. Some things you have to invest in. It's just worth the money. The technology is worth it.
With this being a high maintenance skincare routine, of course, I'm going to show you all of my gadgets that are going to help my skin. With that being said, I'm going to show you all my new air purifier from the company Purivortex. Now, you will be amazed that it has been proven that air purifiers can actually filter out bacteria and also pollutants, which is going to lead to a huge reduction in your acne, skin rashes if you have any, and dryness. Y'all know I suffer from dryness, so shout out to Purivortex for sponsoring this portion of today's video, and let's discuss more of the perks of having an air purifier. So this particular air purifier neutralizes almost 99.9% of air pollutants such as pollen, dust, pet dander, pet hair, smoke, and all other smells. Now, I'm not a smoker and I don't have a pet, but I can tell you that pollen, dust, and smells need to be purified in this household. I want to point out that it is cold and flu season. Everyone is getting a little bit stuffy and just a little bit during these couple of months. So having an air purifier is just going to be so helpful for those nights where you're having trouble breathing or you just feel like the air is so dry because of the cooler weather outside. This is going to help pull out all of that bad air and replace that with good air into whatever facility that you have this this air purifier placed. And some of you all may not believe me, but I don't have summer and spring allergies. I have winter allergies. I don't know how that's even possible, but I do. I also want to mention that Purivortex also sells these air filters separately on their Amazon and official website. You are going to have to change your filter out at least once a month. The cool thing that I like about this little gadget is that it actually tells you when your purifier needs to be changed. A red little dot will pop up on the top of the device under the speed setting, so it'll notify you to change it. And it's really a must, because if you don't, it'll turn into mold and it'll just be pushing out all of the bacteria that it just caught. So make sure you do that. And now, I'm sure you know my favorite perk has to be the improvement of my skin, but my second would have to be how quiet it is. Listen to this. Now I understand why they say silence speaks volumes. But I'm now showing you all what it looks like with the light on and with the light off. I just placed her right over there in the corner of my bathroom, honey. Purivortex, if you want to send me another, reach out to your girl. But thank you so much for sponsoring this portion of today's video and sending me this amazing product that is going to change my skin, my lungs. And as for you, my angel, be sure to check out the description box for all links and coupon codes.
20 minutes is up. Whew. Now I'm gonna go in with some vitamin C oil. I do not know the name of this because it is in Japanese. So I'll just show you what it looks like. Let me just use like 4 drops. All the other products that I showed you are alcohol free and fragrance free. This is the only one that kind of smells a little bit citrusy. Like, look at this. Oh baby, I'm sorry, you was thirsty. Oh god. So the next thing I'm gonna put on my face is this gokujyun premium lotion, aka cream. Now you only really need a little bit of this. Like, I probably can get away with like this much. You see that consistency? So I'm just gonna apply it on. Y'all, this hydration is ridiculous. When I say high maintenance, it's not really more so about the cost of it. I mean, besides the light therapy, I'm just about like a little bit more. Besides the light therapy, everything is really expensive. That really inexpensive. The cleanser that I showed you, I think that cost me about like $16. This lotion that you only really need a dime size cost me, I'd say like $7. And all this is fragrance free, alcohol free, so this is real clean skincare. I've been trying out the gua sha to help see if it's gonna help me with like my double chin area. Let me show you. This double chin, I wanna see if I can move that fat and reduce this area and maybe like define my cheekbones. I have seen a lot of people's before and after, and it has not transformed their face, but it really has helped move and depuff this area. So that is what I'm going to be doing for about another 2 weeks to see if I see an improvement in my chin area. I really want to get rid of this double chin. I just know it's probably water, blubber, sugar, and probably old alcohol that's trying to get out of my skin. I hope you all enjoyed my high maintenance skincare routine today. I had so much fun showing you all the products that I like to play in. Keep in mind, once again, that everything, well, yeah, majority of everything is fragrance and alcohol free, clean skincare. The cleaner, the better, the healthier, the faster you see the results, and the less your skin is going to purge, basically. If you suffer from like dry, normal to dry skin like myself, I would suggest checking out the description box and purchasing up some of these products. They are inexpensive, honey. Y'all know I like to be bougie on a budget, you know, high maintenance, but on a Chick-fil-A budget. I love you all per usual. Thank you so much for supporting me and watching today's video. Chat with me in the comment section down below, and I'll see you later, girl.